paper boat. That's right. So for making a paper boat, we will need an A4 size paper like this. We will fold it in half just like this. Now we will fold it again to its left. Make sure you crease it well. Now open it. Now we will bring corners into the center line like this. We brought both the corners to the center line. Now fold the uppermost layer upwards like this. Now turn it around. You see the corners coming out. We will fold these corners just like this. Do the same to the other side as well. Now we will fold this layer upwards. We will fold the corners once again, but this time make sure you fold it towards the inside like this. Do the same with the other side as well. Pull the sides out and flatten it like this. You can see how it looks. Now we will fold the front layer up to top like this. But make sure you don't join the corners. Leave some gap in between. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Make sure it's equal and do not join the corners. Pull the sides outwards and flatten it like this. Press it properly. Now gently pull the top parts of the model outwards, making a boat shape. Flatten well